guys, and welcome back. So it has been a long but beautiful day. I just got back from one of my brand sponsors. Tomorrow is the YouTube Black Future Insiders event and I am super excited. So Foschini Eastgate is our brand sponsor and they have sponsored a couple of beauty makeup items to help us with our glam beat so we can look absolutely beautiful for tomorrow's YouTube event, right? So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Mind you, they are one of our first brand collaborations, brand sponsors, and we just want to give a shout out to Foschini Eastgate. So first and but not least, the first item we're going to be trying out is the foundation contour kit, and this is the medium to dark, which is 26G, right? So it is 8 shades of contour over here, and they have like beautiful blends of it, right? They have the darker colors over here, as you guys can see, and then the lighter color contours over here. And obviously when you are contouring your face, you're not going to always use the same contour color all over, right? You're going to use different shades, okay, depending on your skin tone and what you need to do with it. But I'm definitely excited to try this. Okay, I love the fact that it comes in a nice palette and that we have 8 different shades to work with. Okay, and then the next we have is this item. It's called the eyebrow stamp. So I've never ever tried out an eyebrow stamp. This is going to be my first time ever trying out an eyebrow stamp, but I am super excited to try this out, right? This is going to be my first time trying this out. And guys, you already know that I have really thick brows, so we're going to be shaping these tonight. I have been struggling to get my brows on fleek, so we're definitely going to be using this, okay, for the perfect eyebrow every time. We're going to be trying this out. Thank you again to Foschini Eastgate for the sponsor. It's like they knew I needed, you know, I needed some help with these brows. And then the next item that we have, ladies, you cannot do without primer. So in your skin prep you need some primer, and we are going to be trying out the Foschini face primer, and this is the mattifying makeup primer, right? We're going to be priming with this, okay, for a longer lasting, you know, look and for a good foundation fit. Okay, we're going to lay our primer, prepare our skin for that foundation. I absolutely cannot wait to try this out. Okay, I haven't tried out these particular products. Next we have this dual conditioning mascara plus liquid eyeliner. Okay, so I love the fact that it's dual, meaning that you get 2 in 1. So over here you can see the mascara, and then over here you can see the eyeliner. So this is also super convenient if you're going to be traveling somewhere and you only want to use like a little bag. This is nice to have because then you don't have 2 little items, you have 1 item that does both the jobs, right? And then we have over here some face powder. Okay, I don't have like a very good face powder, so we're going to be trying out this Foschini face powder, and this is coming in the color caramel. Okay, so I'm more than excited to try this out, right? After I've done my highlighting and I've used like my setting powder, my banana powder, we're going to be using this, okay, to get rid of that, you know, white little, you know, look after you remove your powder. And next, okay, I saved my favorite 2 for last. Okay, these are my best. I cannot wait to try out this Foschini bronzing pearls. Okay, I am definitely a pearls girl when it comes to bronzer, so yeah, I can't wait. And we got this in the Goddess. Okay, this is the Foschini brand, the bronzing pearls. So this is gonna be pretty, and it's gonna be a pretty exciting trial because I've never ever tried this out. So hopefully you guys are gonna like it as much as I am anticipating it to be. And then the last item, okay, this is must be one of my favorites. I'm so excited. So Foschini Eastgate sponsored us this on the horizon. Okay, on the horizon, sorry about the reflection, perfume, and this is a pocket perfume. Okay, so tomorrow we're gonna be looking good. We're gonna be spraying that perfume. Okay, we're gonna be looking good, we're gonna be smelling good. Okay, thank you to Foschini Eastgate for the sponsor. This pocket perfume is 28 milliliters worth of perfume, and guys, the convenience of it is that you get 400 sprays out of it. Imagine, for a pocket perfume. I think that's really long lasting. Okay, you can put this in your little clutch bag because I'm going to be using a very small bag, so that's why I love the fact that you can literally go anywhere, everywhere with it, and it's made to be in your bag. So whenever you carry your big perfume bottles, you always feel like it's gonna spill over and stuff like that. So I'm glad I got this little powerful perfume, you know, pocket friendly perfume bottle, and I cannot wait to smell good tomorrow. I did try this out in store, and this On the Horizon smells really good. I cannot wait to get ready tomorrow. Okay, compliments of Foschini Eastgate. They have sponsored some of our makeup items for tomorrow, so you guys catch me tomorrow's video where I do my get ready with me, and I'll be using some of my Foschini products to get our final look. And guys, please tell your friends to tell their friends to come check out what they got at the Foschini Eastgate store. It is a big beautiful beauty section, guys, and you literally cannot walk out without getting something. Okay, so thank you to Foschini Eastgate again for sponsoring our makeup items towards tomorrow's look, and I'll see you guys in my get ready video tomorrow. If you have not yet liked, please subscribe, tell your friends to tell the other friends to come check out what we have got.